Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is teacher Faustin. So we're going to correct this mathematics of P6, okay, from 2024-2025. Now this primary leaving national examination 2024-2025 mathematics. Exam duration is 2 hours and these are instructions as look like this. You have to read it and listen carefully. Then now the first question, and here you have to read, answer all questions out of 100. By answering the first question, which of the following statement is true or false? But you have to check before answering. You have given an operations of 4 different integers here. You have given -3 times -2. Alright, this is equals -3 then times -2 equals +6. Mean that this statement is false. Okay, then the second, we have -2 plus, and this negative shall get -3, then the answer will be -5. Mean that this statement is true. All right, then here we have -2 times -3, get +6, so that you know the answer is true. Okay, now another one here of -3 minus minus, get -3, negative times negative, get +2. Mean that our answer will be -1. So here we have seen the statement is false. Okay, now here we have -3 divided by -3 is same as multiplication. Okay, so that negative divided by negative we get 1, which is positive. So this statement is true. For the second, complete the following sentences using the meaning of the given words: time, principle, and rate. The money borrowed and saved or lent, this is principle. Okay, whereas the percentage used to calculate interest is what we call rate. And dash is the period that the borrowed money is invested. Okay, so this is time. Time is the period that the money, the borrowed money is invested. Third question. The distance around the circle is what we call circumference. Okay, circumference. The question 3b, the length of AB in this circle is known as, half length AB is known as a diameter. Question number 4, a meeting started at 10 to 40 a.m. and ended at 1 to 30 p.m. Okay, means that here this is we can say 2 to 11 a.m. whereas it ends to 30 to 2 p.m. So we have to find the duration of this meeting in hours and in minutes. Okay, so we have to find the hours that are before 12 p.m. and after 12 p.m. Okay, so what can we do? We take here 12 p.m. then minus these hours before reaching 2 p.m. Here we shall get 12 p.m. then minus this one. This is equals to 1 hour and 20 minutes. Okay, and we have to take another hours after. We take, 1 is equal to 13. Okay, you have 1 It's like 13 and a half p.m. then minus 12 p.m. to get here. We shall get here 1 hour and 30 minutes. Total time, we shall add 1 hour and 30 minutes, okay, to this one to get 2 hours and 20 minutes. So that here shall fill in by 2 and sorry, this is 50, 20 plus this one, 50 minutes. Question 5, we are supposed to find the place value of 2 and 7 here. 5a, place value of a 2, this will be, we have to write over here, okay. This is have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. 100,000s. All right. The last 7 here will be, we have ones, tens, hundred, thousands. This will be thousands. This is 5a. Last 5b. We're supposed to find the values, okay, in figures. Then from 2, this will be, have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, to be 2 times 1,000, get 2,000. Okay, the last 7 here will be ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. So that you have to take 7 times 10 million, which equals to 70 million. Number 6 is to compare the numbers by using less or equal, less or greater or equal. Okay. Now A, you have 5. Look at this number. 5 and 5 have 3 and 3. Of course, this one will be greater. Have 10 power 6, and then have 1 with 0, 6 zeros. Okay. This will be equal. And then you have 2 and 2, have 1 and you have a 0. Of course, our number will be this one. By using the following digits, 5, 2, 9, 4, 0, what the biggest and the smallest number formed by or the digits. Biggest number is denoted like this. Biggest number will be formed by taking 5, okay, no, by 9. Have 5, 2, 9, 4, and 0, 9, 5, 4, 2, and 0, okay. The last smallest number here formed will be 2, and 0, 4, 5, and 9. All right. Question 8 is, we are supposed to choose the right definition of words mode and range in statistics. A, mode is the middle value in data set where when the values are arranged from the smallest to the highest. B, mode is the most repeated number in a given data. This is an answer. Range is the difference between highest number and the smallest number in the data, given data. Of course, this is the right definition, because here they said range is the way data are arranged in data set. This is not correct. So our answer A is B and C. For question 9, you're supposed to work out and choose the correct answer. Okay, now 2, 9, 2, comma, 1, 4, 2, and here have 5, 0, 5, comma, 7, 3, 5. And then you have 4, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, and add. Here, shall say 7 plus 3, 10, 1. This is 8, 0, 1. This is 9. Okay, this is 9, 2, 9, 10. Then comma 1. Get the 9 plus 1, 10, Okay, here we get 10, then 1 here, get 9, and then 9 plus 3, okay, get 12, then 1. After, I have to choose, then our answer is D. Right. Question number 10, fill the missing term. You're supposed to subtract the number that we don't know to get this one. Of course, in subtraction, we have to know that biggest number is located right over here. Find other numbers we subtract from this one. Okay? So we shall get 3, 3, 7, comma, 4, 7, 8, then minus 3, 0, 8, 2, then 3, 70. Then here, by subtraction, 8, 0, 1, 5, 3 as the right answer. Question 11, we have asked it to find, to work out 2 to the power 5, okay, then plus 32 equal what? 2 equal power 5, this is equals to 2 times 2 times a 2 times a 2 times a 2, then plus 32, okay, plus 32. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 4. This is 4 times 2, 16. Then plus, okay, this is 4 times 2. This is equal to 8. Okay, then plus 30, plus 32. Then 4 times 8 is equal to 32 plus 32. The answer equals 64. Then our answer will be this. Okay, question 12. Use these symbols. Okay, less or greater or equal. We have 4.44 and 0.40. We have 4, whereas here we have a 0. This one is greater than to this. We have here 3.56 and we have 3.65. Of course, you have 5 and here you have 6. The greatest number is this. Okay. Now here have a 3, have a 3, have 6, 6, 5 and 5. Of course, this is equal. Okay. So here you're supposed to work out this one without using calculator. 5.5 can be written as 55 over 10 times 2. Here can be 2 over 10. Alright. Over 5 over 100. This is equal to 110 over 100, then over 5 over 100. Alright, this can be equals 110 over 100 times 100 over 5. Because this and this will be cancelled, right? Then shall get 10 over 5, which is equal to 2 and 2. Then our answer will be C. Alright. Question 14 have been asked. Round off 654,497 to the nearest hundreds. If we are asked to find nearest of 400s, we have to look to the tens digit. Tens digit is this 9. Okay? And we know that this 9 is greater than a 5. Okay? And if this 9 is greater than a 9, this 9 is greater than a 5, we will round up. Okay? Therefore, we will have 6, 5, okay, 4. And then this is the hundreds that we have been asked for. This will be added to get 5 and others will be 0. Okay, so that by choosing the best answer from here, it will be this one, C. Okay. Question B, round off 56.7361 to the nearest hundreds. Okay, you have to choose the best answer after working out. If you are being asked to find the to round nearest hundreds, always you have to look at the digits which are in the position of thousands. It is 6. 6 is equal to thousands place. Okay, so if this number is greater than a 5, and know that this 6 is greater than a 5, can be greater than or equal to 5. So, and we know that this is a hundreds, this one will be round up. So the answer will be 56.74. Last, our answer will be this. Question 15. A work spent 1/4 his salary. Okay, because you don't know his salary, have given fraction of his salary, he spent them on food, and 1/2 of remaining on school fees for his child, and then he saved 45,000. Find the worker's salary and choose the correct answer. Question 15. Have to know the salary is. Because of given in fraction, you have to know that it is equal to 4/4, which equals to S. Okay? And then we have sent food occupies 1/4 of salary. Okay? Then after the remainder, that is the first, the remainder will be 4/4 minus 1/4 to get 3/4 of his salary. Second one, spend 1/2 of the remainder to school fees. Mean that school fees will be 3/4, the remainder then times 1/2. This will be 3/8. Okay? This can be equal to 3/8 of his salary spent on school fees. Mean that amount left after spending this 1/2 of the remainder, it would be, okay, 3/4 of spent money minus 3/8 of school fees. This will be, here common denominator will be 8. Okay, then 8 divided by 4 equal to 2 times 3 equal to 6, then minus 3, which equals to 3/8 of salary remained after. And you have seen that 3/8 remained has been saved, and which is equal to 45,200 francs. Okay, so the salary here will be, by knowing this one, will be 45,000 francs times 8/3. The answer will be 120,000 francs. To be the answer, it is B. 16. 4.5 kilogram. Then, and here you have 3.6 decagram. Of course, here you have to divide 100 to get 0.136 kilogram. Okay. Then by adding 4.5 kilogram and plus 0.136 kilogram, this can be equals to 4.500 kilogram and plus 0.136 kilogram. to be 4.636 kilogram. So our answer is this one. A farmer planted 20 trees along the terrace of his land. The trees were planted at interval of 2 meters. What is the length of the terrace planted with trees? Choose the correct answer. But here I have to work out it before. I have to write data given. Here I have, this is number of trees, because 20 trees. Okay? Then we have given distance interval. Okay, this is what called distance in length interval or distance interval. Length interval will be 2 meters. And we know that I've asked you to find the length. Length is equals to number of interval, okay, then times the length interval. But we don't have any number of interval here, whereas number of interval equals to number of trees in minus 1. Okay, it can be number of trees or number of balls. This is called 20 minus 1 equals 19. So length is equals to number of interval 19 times length interval 2 meter equals 30 meter. Then our answer will be B. A cyclist left at Musanze 10 a.m. traveling at 40 km per hour, and he arrived at destination at 1 p.m. The distance covered. Yeah, that's given. We have, let's start here. Have a speed equals 40 km per hour, and you have to find the time. The time between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. is 3 hours. Okay, so distance equals speed times time. You know that speed can be velocity times time, which equals to 40 km per hour times 3 hours. This will be 120 kilometers. As this, and this will be cancelled. Okay, number 19, change this one to this 54-hour to from 24-hour format to 12-hour format. You know this, I have 3:54 a.m. p.m. But if you have this one, I have to take 15, okay, then minus 12 to get 3. Because it is afternoon, I have to say this is p.m. then plus 54 to 54. The answer will be 3 to 54 p.m. Okay, then our answer here be B. Last one is feed the two following fraction in the sequence below. 1/2, 1/4, 1/8. You know that common difference is equal to times. Take 1/2 n times a number. This can be number. So 1/2 times n, this will be 1/16. Shall get 1/16. That's another shall be 1/32. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. If you need another questions from 2021 to the last one, you can write it in the comment section. See you the next time.